mission is to be a net zero Rogue Valley, to be a renewable energy powered world. I still think of it as the solar revolution. My name is Eric Hansen with True South Solar. I'm the CEO and the founder. We have 17 employees working to do solar, commercial and residential solar electric systems here in the Rogue Valley. To date, we've installed over 700 systems, and we have a bunch of raving fans in the community. I started True South Solar with Sean Schreiner in 2010. Fast forward 10 years, the technology is better, it's less expensive, it's more widely used. Financing options are more readily available, the return on investment's better. It's not an anomaly anymore. It's like out of the early adopter phase, if you will, and into the mainstream. Bottom line for residential solar is that it's easy. It's relatively inexpensive now. It's incredibly empowering for a family to be energy independent. The net metering law in Oregon allows you to interconnect with the utility, so you can overproduce your solar electric credits in the summertime and then bank those credits in the wintertime. That's what makes it possible to be 100% renewable energy powered, to be net zero. Getting a site survey from us is super easy. We come out to your house and evaluate your roof, look at your power bills, and give you a proposal for what you can do at your home or business. And with that knowledge, you can take it to the bank. Literally, we have financing tools that we can work on right there at the kitchen table. In 6 to 8 weeks on average, we'll have a system up on your roof. Our crew is a delight to work with. We have a sales team, admin team, and an installation team. We do everything ourselves in-house. Our commercial division is reaching out to the business community to do feasibility studies for businesses so they know what their roof can do for them, because your roof is an asset that you may or may not be utilizing. And the solar feasibility study is just a matter of getting a hold of the utility bills and looking at the roof, usually from Google Earth, and coming up with a feasibility study that shows the business owner how much they could save with a solar electric system, what their options are. Tax credits and incentives are awesome, and the economies of scale of doing larger commercial solar electric systems bring them into these cash paybacks of like 6 years or so. And we've never seen anything like that before, when you have something that's warranted for 25 years and it pays for itself in 6 years. A business owner can save money with a solar electric system, and that's obvious, right? This is money that you're paying to the utility anyways. You're buying electricity, you're already in the energy business. You might not have thought of it that way, but this is a way to get ahead of it. It's a way to hedge against inflation. It's a way to utilize your roof and take the depreciation and the savings and turn it into more cash into your business. It's unique timing right now between the lowered price of the equipment and the tax credits and the incentives being so good. And of course, it's Southern Oregon, it's so sunny here. If you've got a roof that has good southern exposure or a flat roof that has good exposure, you should really look at doing solar, at least getting a feasibility study done so you know what that asset can do for your business. A company like Derek's is saving $10,000 or more a year in power bills, and with zero operating and maintenance costs. The viability of solar in the Rogue Valley is the envy of other parts of the state. Eugene to Portland are much cloudier. We have a better resource down here. We can see our systems producing more and saving our customers more money. And with battery storage coming online, we really truly have an opportunity to be a net zero exporter of power down here. That's the next thing that's up and coming in renewable energy. Now batteries are coming online, they're getting less expensive, they're more reliable, they're more safe. The other benefit to those features is resiliency. We live in an area that is susceptible to natural disasters like wildfires and earthquakes, and batteries don't provide just peace of mind, they provide energy independence. You can also live off of your batteries at nighttime. When your solar produces extra electricity in the daytime and goes to the battery, we can have a true energy independent household, business, community, region, state, planet. The possibilities are really exciting right now. Going solar is really easy. It starts with a solar consultation. We give free consultations. Give us a call or reach out via email, our website, Facebook, and we'll connect you with a solar advisor and get a proposal in front of you that can show you what solar can do for your home or your business.